Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I am doing another Expressions box mystery unboxing. I looked at what I got and I'm totally excited with the new things that I got in my January mystery box. But before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give me a big old like. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked below in the description, and let's get into it. Okay, again, let me cover my address. This is what the box looks like, and every time they have the stickers, the sticker is pretty indicative of what you're going to get in the box. So, as you all know, unless this is your first time watching my mystery box unboxing, I do the combo box with the HTV and adhesive vinyl. So that's what these two are right here. Okay, so we're going to start with the HTV. If you just look in that package, it's just a whole lot of brightness that just brightens up your day. But yeah, let's open it and see what we got. I love these mystery boxes. I really do. The quality of the HTV and the adhesive vinyl from Expressions vinyl is just top notch, and I think I'm going to continue on with this subscription because it's just great. And it'll have me introduce me to vinyls that I didn't know or wasn't even thinking about purchasing. So that's another reason why I love it so much. So again, the first thing you see, you get the little list here of what's in the box. It gives you the settings and everything for the specific HTV sheets, which is great. I also get cut files that they send to your email along with the subscription, so that's good. So the first thing we have here is the glitter patterned mermaid wishes. So cute. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter in there, but it's so cute. I can't wait to use that. And this, oh my god, I love this. Look at that. It's so wonderful. It's like an iridescent. It's called, sorry, Sizer Rainbow Pearl Holographic. It is so awesome. I can't wait to figure out something to use that for. The next one we have is the Sizer Lagoon. This is a very pretty color. I hope it shows up right. Yeah, it's pretty much showing up right, but it seems a little bit more greenish to me. I don't know if you guys are seeing more blue, but it's a little bit more green to me. But it's very, very pretty. Then we have the Sizer Easy Weed Electric Pink. Really pretty. Next is the Sizer Easy Weed Vegas Gold. And then we have Sizer Easy Weed Black. It's always good to have black HTV around because you never know when you're going to need black. I have a ton of black and white Oracle heat transfer vinyl because I just love the Oracle brand. And this one is the patterned HTV Leopard Tan. So that's really good. One thing I didn't notice, it tells you whether you should, if you could peel it hot or cold. It says it down here, so it'd be good to print hot and cold on all of these. But this one, the Sizer Lagoon Glitter, it says peel warm. The Rainbow Holographic Pearl says peel cold. And then the Mermaid Wishes also says peel warm. I never noticed that before, but that's a good little tip to have with your heat transfer. So that was the HTV. Let's get into the adhesive. Okay, so this is what the outer package looks like, what you're getting inside. I'm running out of spots for all my vinyl, guys. I buy vinyl and plus I get these, so I'm running out of space. Running out of space. Okay, so for this one, the first one here is Metallized Matte Rainbow. And it has a little, it looks a little bit holographic as well. The next thing here is Metallized Mist. It's purple. Uh-oh. Wrong one. I had something attached. This is the Metallized Mist. Sorry, guys. I like that. Can you imagine that, like, on a mug or something? I don't know. That's just really cute. I think I'm going to save these upcoming, these ones that I have for some upcoming projects that I'll be having as soon as my order gets delivered. So this is the Oracle 651 Violet. And it tells you on the back, Oracle 651. Okay. Next we have brown, Oracle 651 brown. And I had a brownish, I think I got with either the the October one, or was it a December one? I don't know, I can't remember. But again, this is the Oracle 651. And I love the grid lines on the back. It kind of helps when you're cutting. Comes in handy, I think. It's just my opinion. Then we have the Oracle 651 Gold. They try to coordinate the adhesive with the heat transfers that you get, which I think is really cool. So the next one is the Glitter Sparkling Aqua. That is to die for. I can't wait to use these for my upcoming projects. I'm just like, my orders have been coming in so late with Christmas and then with the pandemic. It's just like, I want my orders so I can start my craft, so I can show you guys the new things that I want to start doing and selling on my website, but I gotta wait. So next we have Glitter Night Sky, which essentially is what to me. But whatever. Night Sky. Yeah. The next we have Patterned Unicorn Sky. That's really cute. Super cute. And we have the Patterned Leopard Tan, just like we got with the HTV. Nice. And then of course the last thing that they give you is transfer tape. And I always get like 2 of these, and this transfer tape that they give you is great. So you always get 2 with that. So like I said before, guys, if you're new and you don't really know much about the Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box, they do these mystery boxes. It almost seems like every other month. So January, so the next one will be in March. These things sell out, so I would go on Expressions Vinyl and probably put your name on the subscribe list so you can get notified when the boxes are available for purchase. You can purchase a subscription like I did, or they have it available to where you just purchase the boxes without subscribing. For me, it's just easier to subscribe because I'm not always going to remember. Even though I get the emails, sometimes I don't read my emails right away, and I never want to miss out. So for me, being a part of the subscription, having the subscription, it just works out better for me. So it's just like automatic, you know what I mean? And again, for those of you who may be new and don't know, when they do when you subscribe, you don't get charged. You don't get charged until the day before they ship your boxes out to you. So if you were to go put your name on a mailing list, and then they send you the email, which they send the email like a week or 2 before the boxes are available for purchase, and then you could go ahead and subscribe, you know, do the subscription at that point, and they still won't charge your card until the day before they ship them out, which is great. So yeah, I really am excited. I thought I was excited about the last box I got, but yeah, I think the last box I got was in November, so my September box is where I think I got that brown. But I'm so excited, and I can't wait to be able to use the HTV and the adhesive vinyl for this one. The pieces are so lovely. Anyway, I'm just a little excited because it's been a while since I did a video. But the things behind me, all of this fabric, I'm going to be working this weekend on a new product that'll be coming to my website. So if you guys can guess, I'm going to show you a strip. I did this on my last video too that I recorded. See if you can guess what it is that's going to be coming to the website. Just by looking at these strips. Do you think you know what's going to be coming to the site. Some of you probably can guess, but if you guess it, put it below. I'm not going to tell you if you're right or not until I launch them. But yeah, just put in the comments if you think you know what's coming to my website. And if you want to just take a look at the website to see what I have on there, and maybe you'll get a guess of what I am bringing, do that. The link to my shop is down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give me a big old like so I know what kind of videos you like to see. Also, if you want to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!